Ipagpatuloy natin ang part 3 ng word analogy. Nandito ang more word pairs for analogy form number 6. Tiger is a type of carnivore. Courage is a type of virtue. Measles is a type of disease. 7th analogy form A follows B in sequence either as a logic or cause and effect. For example, rehearsal is followed by performance. Therefore, the correct answer is letter B. Engagement is always followed by marriage. More word pairs for this analogy form. Stumble is followed by fall, convict is followed by sentence, swell is followed by burst. Let's come to number A. A is the interruption of B. So, example, retirement is the interruption of service. Therefore, the correct answer is letter D. Graduation is the interruption of studies. More word pairs for this analogy form. Dismissal is the interruption of employment. Lunch break is the interruption of workday. Intermission is the interruption of performance. Let's come to number 9. A is the tool used by B or A is the tool used to accomplish by B. Scalpel is the tool used by surgeon. Therefore, the correct answer is letter D. Bow is the tool used by the violinist. Without it, he can never play a violin. More word pairs that fit this analogy form. Palette is the tool used by painter. Filter is the tool used for purification. Needle is the tool used for sewing. Number 10, A is a place where B can be found. Umpire can be found at the playing field. Therefore, the correct answer is letter B. Judge can be found at the courtroom. More word pairs for this analogy form. Professor can be found at the classroom. Sailor can be found at the ship. Farmer can be found at the field. Priest can be found at the church. Magdasal, magtiwala sa sarili at higit sa lahat, mag-relax. Good luck and thank you for watching.